Jeje ṣàlàyé gbà, jeje ló lè ṣó, jeje láyé gbà, jeje yé. Jeje ṣàlàyé gbà, jeje ló lè ṣó, jeje láyé gbà.
Yo, it's your boy Tony Black, the spicy one. Today I'm going to be doing voiceover for Tamilola. Right now, she's using eyebrow brush. Wow, so quick. Now she's using eyebrow pencil. She's scrubbing her brow. Keep on. Oh, wow. God of Nazareth. Keep on. So she's scrubbing it. She's looking at the camera for no reason. I don't know why. She's using eyebrow pencil. Continue. Yeah, she's making sure the line is fit. Everything is fit. She makes sure she put the right pineapple. No, it's not pineapple. Sorry, the right amount of energy into it. Right now, she's using eyebrow brush. Hey, she's brushing the brow. Wow, she makes sure it looks on fleck. Oda, it's okay. Look at yourself. You're looking at it too much. Oluwa, God help us all. Right now, the omoge, she's using concealer. Won't take concealer, soju? Yeah, continue. As you can see, she's trying to make sure the thing matches her color. The color of her face matches the concealer. You have to know how to match the two together. So she's matching the concealer. Now she's looking at herself again. Why do you blink your eyes for? Don't mind that. That's how we do. So she's doing the concealer. She's just grabbing the concealer, pasting it on her face. Is it pasting? But don't worry. Don't mind that. Let's continue. Now she has done the second part as well. Now she took the concealer part 2, sorry. I thought maybe it's beauty something. Hey. Now she's well, she's just rubbing it. You see, as you can see now, she's looking like, some masquerade, but fake masquerade. Right now she took, I call this one sponge. Hey, she's putting the sponge on it, blending the sponge on it, making sure it's a beauty blender, by the way. It's not called sponge, but I call it sponge. Tiger Wood. Look at this girl. Right now she's using the eyebrow pencil again to make sure everything look on flat. Now she's using the brush again. She must look good. She must look good. Why is she blowing? God help in Jesus' name. She's still using the brush. So guys, she put her in her nose. Jesus. Everything looks nice now. She smiled. Now, I think she's going to use the eyeliner. She's making sure the eyeliner, you see, as you can see, is step by step. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, she's making sure it looks straight. The line looks straight. She look at the camera. She smiles to the camera. Why? I can't even see her smiling with her teeth. She's being so serious. Wow, you can see now. She has her eyelashes there, smiling. Omoto peng, yalla everybody. This one is called foundation. She's pressing the foundation on it. She's putting the foundation. So again, she took the sponge, or you can call it beauty blender, or sometimes I call it the puff. So she's blending her face on it. Look on blend. She's trying to make sure the beauty blender match. How can I say it? You can see the camera, you can see the video. You know what I mean? Thank God this is visual. So she continued doing it. As you can see now, the color of her face is matching with the color of her head. Hey, Chineke. Again, she's using the concealer. No, this is the brush. Yeah. When I know God will help us. I think this is not concealer. She's just using everything together. You can see it. Let me just keep quiet and let's enjoy this. She smile. At least she smile. She has a nice teeth, by the way. Right now, as you can see, she's still using the sponge, the beauty blender, to blend on her face. Oh la la. Oh my bad girl. Hey. Guys, I'm a crazy guy, Okay, let's continue. Wow. Omoyi pen. She's still using it. Concealer still continue. Right now, she's using the concealer stick, I guess. Oh, look at her mouth, look at her lips. We're perfect in it. All these girls, UK girls, look at what they are doing. Guys, come and learn from her. Makeup artist, hot one. Yeah, like everybody. She's still blending it. She's beauty blender. She's using the sponge, blending everything together. She's still blending it, you know. Wow, this is baking time. She's baking to her face, baking everything in her face like baked bread. Like you are baking the bread. Put everything together in one. Now she's using the contour. Is it contour or contouring? Something like that on her nose. Contouring. She's contouring her nose. Yeah. As you can see, guys, look at beauty. Chineke indima, Right now, she just used the brush to blend it. Oh, la. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's using the stick, making sure brush everything. Oluwa, Tomilola. How many days are you going for one day like this? In your mind, the day you are doing marriage, just do it by yourself instead of you calling somebody. Yeah, carry. Baddest girl ever lived. Machine lojare. She's still doing it. Right now, she's contouring her face to look skinny. You know, that's how she's doing her mouth like pepper. You see? Again. Yeah, face has to look skinny. Mashebelo, big pepper. Again, you see again, she's using a beauty blend. You have to know how to use this. Like, if you don't know how to use this, you're not a makeup artist, honestly. But I don't know why she's touching her nose. Is your nose scratching you? Or are you scratching your nose? Look at her lips now. And she hasn't done anything with the lips yet too. Now she's using the brush to brush it, you know. Brush everything, make sure everything look the color. And look at her forehead. Look at her makeup. This one is Tamila pepper them. Pepper them. Tamila. Pepper them. Woo! Bam! Hey, Tamila, you too much. You too much. Yo. It's just for one day and do this kind of makeup. Oluwa Shanu Aje. Now, guys, as you can see, she's using the eyeliner again to line her face. My face, open fine gun. You don't share everybody, no. You don't share. Don't show going pepper. Come on, line the other face, are moju. This no hello. The real this no it. This the better better. The real is better than this makeup I'm seeing now. But God will help us. Only God can judge. I can't judge this color. Who will see this kind of girl outside and they don't want to toast? Let's be honest now. All these UK girls, I'll just see them with makeup. You just like, look, this girl is just pretty. Look at they took the time to do this video. They took time to do makeup. More than 2 hours, 3 hours. Why? For what reason? Oluwa Shanuwa. Too much of pressure. Everybody go and marry. Please, we are begging you. Now she's using mascara on the bottom eye. You can see it. You see now? Come on. I'm more if I tag on you. It's not spicy, but my name is Timmy Black, the spicy one. You are not the spicy. Me, I'm the spicy. But look. It's okay. I should know. Right now, she's using the brush to make her face shining. As you can see. You see, she blow it and now she's smiling. She's happy because she like the look that she's seeing. Come on. Continue, Jare. Baby custard. You're not a bastard. Your mommy build that beautiful. She just came from everywhere and come down. Right now, she's using the lips pencil, you know. Look at it now. Hey, now she's not rubbing it now. She's rubbing it. Oh my booty. You see now, she took what? The lipstick. Oh my lips are one way. Bad days. Party to ya. Oh my yeah, please carry your load and be going to party. Any guy that come to you, tell them that you are single. And if you are taking, better be honest. Hey, oh no. I think I have to go because watching this thing, Koda, I have to go and watch more. I have to watch this girl video. Tomlola, you are dangerous. You are dangerous. Ushi, bra. Hey. Guys, you see, hey, UK girls, hey, why won't men be cheating now? This one, look at this one with makeup now. And if you have boyfriend, if boyfriend cheats, we will slap him. If she's single, she should go and find him, but if she's not single, she will slap your boyfriend. Look at girls, why guys won't cheat? Why won't we cheat? Yeah, cheater.